Tomorrow will be the event of the year in the stock market and Superbowl financial events. Tech giant and AI chip maker NVIDIA will be reporting their earnings report on Wednesday at 4 p.m. And this is going to be the most important earnings report in years, according to tech analyst Dan Ives. There's so much hype and interest with NVIDIA in their earnings report to see all the AI spend from hyperscalers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft on NVIDIA's AI chips. Expectations are sky high. Analysts are expecting 112% year-over-year revenue growth and 125% year-over-year earnings per share growth. That's a very high bar, but NVIDIA has beat already sky-high expectations previously in the past, so it's possible NVIDIA could do so again. NVIDIA had a little dip the last few days in the stock market leading up to these earnings, so hopefully that means that NVIDIA is primed for a bounce after NVIDIA reveals their earnings report and guidance, and to see their comments on Blackwell chips, their newest chip, to see they're already delayed production due to all the demand, and there's still really strong demand on their Grace Hopper chips, their current year chips. So honestly, I think NVIDIA will blow out, will have another drop the mic and blow out earnings report. I think they'll continue to beat. These hyperscalers are spending so much on NVIDIA's chips, and every dollar spent on NVIDIA's chips is a 8 to 9x multiplier, in terms of spend in the rest of the technology ecosystem that'll also spill over into cybersecurity, cloud, and software companies. So this multiplier effect on spend on NVIDIA's chips will multiply 8 to 9x throughout the tech ecosystem. This is a technological revolution in terms of AI. Some may say NVIDIA is overvalued. However, I disagree. Although NVIDIA's growth may slow down, NVIDIA's in the coming years, NVIDIA's growth is still very rapid, and there's so much demand, pretty much exceeding supply for NVIDIA's AI chips. They're pretty much the pick and shovels play for AI. I expect NVIDIA is still in the early stages of this bull run that I think will last for another 3 to 5 years, in my opinion, due to the productivity gains enabled by AI and the chips that NVIDIA has. Lastly, before I forget, NVIDIA's earnings report on Wednesday, I think is even more important than Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. At the Jackson Hole speech, we kind of knew that the Federal Reserve would deliver a rate cut in September. That was kind of priced in the market. We knew Jerome Powell would kind of be more dovish. Yes, we expect NVIDIA's earnings report to be strong, but we don't know how strong. We don't know if it could meet or exceed already high expectations. As I said earlier, I think they can, but this earnings report, in my opinion, will have more impact in the market than Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. Let's stay tuned. Wednesday at 4 p.m. will be the Super Bowl financial events, in my opinion.